Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Sora to watermark instantly, 100% free and with no quality loss. If you have been creating AI videos with Sora 2 and then you have probably noticed that moving watermark across your clips, it looks distracting and totally ruins your professional vibes. But don't worry, I have got an easy fix using a free tool called Unwatermark AI. Okay, let's get started. Just open your browser and search for Unwatermark AI, this one like this. And then just click the first link to open the web. Just tap on it. And then once you are on the sites like this, just go to features menu, this one. And then tap on video watermark remover or on video tools, like this. And then just upload your video. And then next just play the video and see where the watermarks appears. Then use the watermark tools to highlight every spot where the watermark shows up. Just use this highlight. Make sure you carefully cover its area, especially if the watermark moves around. Just tap on play, this one.
Your chicken's looking nice now.
And then just cover the area, watermark area. For example like this. And then when you're done, just tap on remove, this one. And then Unwatermark AI will process your clips. And okay, like this, when it's complete, you will get a clean watermark free video like this. The best part is the original quality will stay the same. Let's play the video. Like this, as you can see, the watermark is gone. Like this. And then if everything looks good, just tap on download to save your clean video. And then just a quick note. This website will give you a free plan up to three removal per day, which is perfect for testing or cleaning multiple clips. And okay, maybe that's it. You have just removed the Sora 2 watermark completely for free. No paid tools, no complicated setup, no quality loss. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.